Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. First time that I'm doing this one. We're trying some new changes and everything. I hope everyone is doing well. Mochi, welcome on in. How are you doing, babe? You're the first one here today. No, stop, computer. Now my computer's revolting against what I'm telling it to do. Do that. Okay. All right, so today, a few of the things, I'm actually all the way on step 14 for my, um, why did you break two fingers? Were they someone else's fingers or were they yours? That's the first question. Oh, and ads. Hold on one second, everyone. Okay, so thank you for the 15 stream streak, Grum. Um, babe, I worry about you. Broke both of your fingers rolling out of bed again. Why do you not have a queen size bed already? Or at least a king size or a king size. We should get you a California king. God, what was it? Oh yeah. So, a few things that are going to happen today, guys. We're working on step 14 of 16. This, we're almost ready to get to to release this mouse eye tracker as a full build. I just moved too much. All right, then we're gonna have to get you a California King. They're double wide. What else is there? Oh, yeah, so we're about ready to get this into alpha build. I will start a Patreon as well for this, what is it? For this as well. So be up for a Patreon coming out for this program. I can't wait to get this released. What else is there? What I wanted to say is, so I've got the tracker working. Actually, I'll just show you guys. So we'll go over to this. Yeah, cool. We're over. Grab this. So part of my problem that I've had is that the media pipe doesn't work anymore. So, or it doesn't work with newer stuff. That's my big problem. But takes a moment to initialize everything here, just as any program. So you can see that they're kind of flashing. Oh God, it does not like. So they are working, but it's made two. There's one over here, and then there's this one. Now it doesn't control the one that's what do I want to say? That's the mouse. I'm going to have to fix that here. But I am able, when I move my head side to side, for it to work.
Good news, everyone.
So I'm very happy that this is going. So we're going to be on step 14 today, which is going to, we're making it so that way it will function with both. I don't like how it affects my GPU like that. I really don't. That's okay. But we're going to make it so that way it works on both Linux and Windows today. That is step 14. I'm noticing that my stream is saying that it's unstable. Hey, just want to just pretend I understand your witch runes. I mean programming. Witch runes. This is wizard. Thanks, Waffles. Hey, Toko. It's going. God, it hurts to laugh so much. Waffles, I should start programming in COBOL. Really drove everyone off programming in COBOL. That would get everyone's brain to break, including mine. All right, let's get the first import of the import platform in, and we'll get going on this. India, Mike, Papa, Oscar, Romeo, Tango, spacebar. Papa, Lima, Alpha, Tango, Foxtrot. Oh, I know COBOL. It's base 8 map. Yes, it is. I mean, the thing is that like there's a lot of stuff that runs on Cobalt still that's just abandonware, and the people who are for CPUs that used to use it, and I used to reprogram it for my store. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that's still running on Cobalt that all the engineers are retiring from, and so we're not able to do it anymore. And so it's either they need to find people who can do Cobalt, or they have to switch their systems, which is just more expensive. And some companies are just not willing to do it. Left click. All right. And so now I need to put this, where do I need to put this? I need to put this in full screen overlay. I have to check my notes because I am not smart. When you only have 50 IQ, you gotta learn to take notes. Really helps you. Until 2012, Burger King PS system used it, and I used to reprogram. Got to get back to work. Enjoy programming madness. Thank you, Toko. Thank you for at least stopping by. It means a lot. Okay. And then down here into this group. Put this. Should I put it? The question is, should I put it down there or should I put it up here? Normally how programs work is they read from top down. I wanted to read the program first, so let's hold on. Yeah, we wanted to read the program first. There we go. All right, so we're going to put it here. 3, spacebar, Bravo, Alpha, Sierra, Echo, spacebar, Sierra, Echo, Tango, Uniform, Papa, spacebar, Foxtrot, Lima, Alpha, Golf, Sierra, spacebar, Foxtrot, Oscar, Romeo, spacebar, Charlie, Lima, Echo, Alpha, thank you for the daily silence eater, Daisy. Ooh. Okay. Well, I've got a. Thank you for the alert, Daisy. Means a lot. Let's get Daisy her shout out. Go follow Daisy. She's an absolute gem of a VTuber. Absolutely love her. She's I almost said a druid base, but no, she is a hippie VTuber based off the 1960s hippies. Bring these dangerous chemicals over to her chat. Let's get those plants growing to monstrous sizes and start eating people. Wait, what? Who said that? Okay. Love you, Daisy. November, spacebar, Oscar, Victor, Echo, Romeo, Lima, Alpha, Yankee, Sierra. Enlist. Sierra, Echo, Lima, Foxtrot, Dot, Sierra, Echo, Tango, left click, left pren, Quebec, Tango, Dot, Whiskey Alpha, score, Tango, Romeo Alpha, November Sierra, Lima, Uniform Charlie, Echo, November Tango, Bravo, Alpha Charlie Kilo Golf Romeo Oscar Uniform November Delta Spacebar Tango Romeo Junk Tango left click enlist India Foxtrot Spacebar Papa Lima Alpha Tango Foxtrot Oscar Romeo Mike dot Sierra Yankee Sierra Tango Echo Mike left paren spacebar equals spacebar oh god, I forget what I called that. I don't know if I have quotation marks or not. Let's see here. I want to come here, go script, go check our script here because that will tell me this one. Yes, go open. Spacebar. Do I have bracket? Got colon, got semicolon, I've got dot. I haven't made quotes yet or comma still. I really probably should, but yeah, that's, oh, holy crap. Hold on. There's a problem over on the computer. I don't know why it looked like it just, I thought for a moment that my OBS crashed, but it didn't. We're good. Everything is alive. I can see the previews again. That was scary. Okay. Where are we? I actually got distracted. Oh, I need the quotation marks. That's right. I have to do that by hand. Oh. Junk. Undo. Undo that. Undo that. Indent right. Indent right. Oh, that was scary. That was very scary. What did we lose here? Hold on. Oh, I see. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay. That was difficult. All right, so now what I want to do is whiskey, India, November, Delta, Oscar, whiskey, Sierra. Trusting my own spelling is absolutely crazy. Now is that colon, enlist, enlist. Undo that. 3, spacebar. November Alpha Tango, India, Victor Echo, spacebar. Whiskey India, November, Delta Oscar Whiskey Sierra, spacebar. Hey Gold, how you doing? Thanks for the lurk. Give Gold their shout out. Gold is another awesome member of the community and also a fellow streamer. They are a flesh tuber, unlike our last VTuber friend, but we don't hold that against them here. We love all streamers of all kinds. Foxtrot, Lima, Alpha, Golf, Sierra, spacebar. Foxtrot, Oscar, Romeo, spacebar. Sierra, Mike, Oscar, Oscar, Tango, Hotel, spacebar. Charlie, Lima, India, Charlie, Kilo, Dash, Tango, Hotel, Romeo, Oscar, Uniform, Golf, Hotel, spacebar, Oscar, Victor, Echo, Romeo, Lima, Alpha, Yankee, enlist, Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Sierra Echo Tango, whiskey, junk, whiskey, India, November, December, junk, Delta, Oscar, whiskey, Foxtrot, Lima, Alpha, Golf, Sierra, left paren, Quebec, Tango, dot, window, delete, junk, junk, whiskey, India, November, Delta Oscar, whiskey, Sierra, Tango, Alpha, Yankee, Sierra, Oscar, November, Tango, Oscar, Papa, Hotel, India, November, Tango, spacebar, pipe, spacebar, Quebec Tango dot Foxtrot Romeo Alpha Mike Echo Lima Echo Sierra Sierra Whiskey India November Delta Oscar Whiskey Hotel India November Tango spacebar Pipe spacebar Quebec Tango dot Tango Oscar Oscar Lima enlist. Three spacebar Oscar Papa Tango Lima Junk India Oscar November Alpha Lima colon spacebar Alpha Lima Lima Oscar Whiskey spacebar Mike Oscar Uniform Sierra Echo spacebar Echo Victor Echo November Tango Sierra spacebar Tango Oscar spacebar Charlie Oscar Mike Papa Lima Echo Tango Echo Lima Yankee spacebar India Golf November Oscar Romeo Echo spacebar Tango Hotel Echo spacebar Whiskey India November Delta Oscar Whiskey spacebar Lima Alpha Yankee Echo Romeo spacebar Oscar November spacebar Whiskey India November Delta Oscar Whiskey Sierra enlist 3 spacebar Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot junk 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 Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Sierra Echo Tango Alpha junk 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 Sierra Echo Tango Alpha Tango Tango Romeo India Bravo Uniform Tango Echo left prin Quebec Tango dot Whiskey Alpha score Tango, Romeo, Alpha, November, Sierra, Papa, Alpha, Romeo, Echo, November, Tango, Foxtrot, Junk, Foxtrot, Oscar, Romeo, Mike, Oscar, Uniform. Thank you for Water the Wolf Girl. Junk, Sierra, Echo, Victor, Echo, November, Tango, Sierra, Spacebar, Tango, Romeo, Uniform, Echo, Enlist, indent left, Echo, Lima, Sierra, Echo, colon, enter, junk, enlist, free, spacebar, Lima, India, November, uniform, X-ray, spacebar, left pren, uniform, Bravo, uniform, November, Tango, uniform, Golf, November, Oscar, Mike, Echo, spacebar, Charlie, Oscar, Mike, Papa, Alpha, Tango, India, Bravo, Lima, Echo, spacebar, Whiskey, India, November, Delta, Oscar, Whiskey, Sierra, spacebar, Mike, Alpha, junk, Mike, Alpha, November, Alpha, Golf, Echo, Romeo, spacebar, Foxtrot, Lima, Alpha, Golf, Sierra, enlist, Sierra, Echo, Lima, Foxtrot, dot, Sierra, Echo, Tango, junk, Sierra, Echo, Tango, Whiskey, India, November, December, junk, Delta, Oscar, Whiskey, spacebar, junk, Foxtrot, Alpha, Junk, Lima, Alpha, Golf, Sierra, Left Prin, Quebec, Tango, Dot, Whiskey, Alpha, Score, Tango, Romeo, Alpha, November, Sierra, Papa, Alpha, Romeo, Echo, November, Tango, Foxtrot, Junk, 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 Junk. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, Grum. I don't. Why did I start doing that? Like, it needs to be Windows stays. That's right. barely made it back because people decide to stand in your way when you're trying to open the refrigerator. Like, come on, people. The girl is running at full freaking speed, and oh, let's just stand in her way. Like, really? All right. Anyways, let's see here. Where were we? We needed to do Windows. I was doing the wrong. I just started entering the wrong code for whatever reason. Whiskey, India, November. Delta, Oscar, Whiskey, Sierra, Tango, Alpha, Yankee, Sierra, Oscar, November, Tango, Oscar, Papa, Hotel, India, November, Tango, spacebar, Pipe, spacebar, Quebec, Tango, dot, Foxtrot, Romeo, Alpha, Mike, Echo, Lima, Echo, Sierra, Sierra, Whiskey, India, November, Delta, Oscar, Whiskey, Hotel, India, November, Tango, spacebar, Pipe, spacebar, Quebec, Tango, dot, X-ray, 1-1, Bravo, Yankee, Papa, Alpha, Sierra, Sierra, Whiskey, India, November, Delta, Oscar, Whiskey, the hell? Stop that for a moment. Hold on, everyone. My notes just went haywire off to the side. Where's my mouse? There it is. They just decided to go haywire by themselves. Where are we? We're on this line right here. Oh my god. I feel like I'm so far behind today. Mike, Alpha, November, Alpha, Golf, Echo, Romeo, Hotel, India, November, Tango. Okay, cool. That's done. Now, we are going to, here's the I hate having my right eye covered, but I have to have it covered. Okay, so I need to create a I mean, I could always just open up the system and run it, but I'm just going to make a test file. Make a new text file. And then this is going to be Control S. Oh, it's actually named text file. I rarely get to make text files. Romeo, Echo, Mike, Echo, November, Tango, Sierra, India. Okay, that's set properly. Now, Papa, Junk, Yankee, Quebec, Tango. Fifth spacebar equals spacebar. Fifth dot 1/5 junk. Fifth dot 1/0 enlist. Oscar, Papa, Echo, November, Charlie, Victor, dash, Papa, Yankee, Tango, Hotel, Oscar, November, spacebar, equals, spacebar, 4 dot niner dot 0 dot 88 enlist Mike Echo Delta India Alpha Papa India Papa Echo spacebar equals spacebar 0 dot 0 junk 10 dot 11 enlist Papa Yankee Romeo. Is that Romeo? No, it's November. November Papa Uniform Tango spacebar equals dot junk spacebar 1.7.6. Save document. Okay. So hopefully copy that. Paste that. Enlist. Okay, booting up. Okay, it didn't crash. It did affect my my graphics card for whatever reason. I don't know why it keeps doing that, but it does. I'm not gonna worry about that. So we're gonna get a disruption here for a moment. Don't worry, guys. I am still here. But okay, there we go. There, we've interfered it. Whew. Okay, so we've just completed step 14 out of 16. So it works. It didn't crash. There's no issues. Actually, somewhat concerning. But now we're getting into. So that was the eye tracking and calibration systems that are going to be needed, completed, and the integration into Linux. And so that means we are moving on to step 15. Step 15 is, scroll down here on my notes. Step 15 is auto calibration module. Train or implement a light learning machine mod. Okay. I'm actually really scared about this because it's kind of probably the biggest one. And then step 16 will be a beginner friendly UI, and we'll finally be able to have this alpha version of this eye tracker for people in general. And I hope that it goes well, but I'm actually really frightened here. How many pages are these notes? I only got 3 pages of notes here. What? I'm worried. Step 16 only has 4 pages of notes. This all seems too simple. Why has no one done this before? Like, I took all of these notes on what I'm supposed to do, and I just. Am I overthinking this? Like, I'm actually really concerned. Constructor method and add storage array to collect real-time data, add face features, target desktop coordinates. Okay. So it's going to be in the basically the same place that we've been building already in here. I think this will be a good place for it. So left indent, junk, 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 indent left, indent right, indent right. I'm still mixing up my rights and my left. Oh my God, I'm a moron. Oh, okay. Sierra, Echo, Lima, Foxtrot, dot, ML, score, Foxtrot, Junk, Mike Lima, score. Foxtrot, Echo Alpha, Tango, Uniform, Romeo, Echo, Sierra, score, X-ray, spacebar equals spacebar, left bracket, spacebar, 3, spacebar, Sierra Tango, Oscar Romeo Echo Sierra, spacebar, Foxtrot Alpha Charlie Echo, spacebar, Tango Romeo Alpha Charlie Kilo India November Golf, spacebar, left prin, X-ray, enlist, Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot M Mike Lima, left click, junk, Yankee, spacebar equals spacebar, left bracket, copy that, spacebar, paste that, junk, Yankee, spacebar, junk, enlist, Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Mike Lima, score, Tango Alpha Romeo Golf, Echo Tango Sierra, score, X-ray equals junk, spacebar equals spacebar, left bracket, spacebar, junk, spacebar, paste that, junk, undo that, redo that, undo that, spacebar, paste that, junk, 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 junk. Junk, 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 junk. Tango, Romeo, Uniform, Echo, spacebar, Sierra, Yankee, Sierra, Tango, Echo, Mike, spacebar, Mike, Oscar, November, India, Tango, Oscar, Romeo, spacebar, Lima, Oscar, Charlie, Alpha, Tango, India, Oscar, November, Sierra. Junk. Copy that. Enlist. Sierra, Echo, Tango, Junk, Lima, Foxtrot, dot, Mike, Lima, left click, Yankee, spacebar, equals, spacebar, left bracket, spacebar, paste that, Yankee. Enlist, 3, Lima, India, November, Echo, Alpha, Romeo, spacebar, Romeo, Echo, Golf, Romeo, Echo, Sierra, Sierra, India, Oscar, November, spacebar, Charlie, Oscar, Echo, Foxtrot, Foxtrot, India, Charlie, India, Echo, November, Tango, Sierra, colon, spacebar, Papa, Romeo, Echo, Delta, India, Charlie, Tango, spacebar, Sierra, Charlie, Romeo, Echo, Echo, November, spacebar, Papa, Oscar, Sierra, India, Tango, India, Oscar, November, spacebar equals, spacebar, left paren, spacebar, Sierra, Lima, Oscar, Papa, Echo, spacebar, 8, spacebar, Foxtrot, Alpha, Charlie, Echo, spacebar, Charlie, Oscar, Oscar, Romeo, Delta, India, November, Oscar, Tango, Echo, spacebar, plus, space, junk, junk, spacebar, India, November, Tango, Echo, Romeo, Charlie, Echo, Papa, Tango, spacebar, junk, enlist. Sierra, Echo, Lima, Foxtrot, dot, Mike, Lima, Sierra, Lima, Oscar, Papa, Echo, score, Echo, score, X-ray, spacebar, Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Mike Lima score India November Tango Echo Romeo Charlie Echo Papa Tango score X-ray spacebar equals spacebar dash 3 point dash delete junk dot 0 spacebar 1920 spacebar 2 spacebar 3 spacebar Delta Echo Foxtrot Alpha Uniform Lima Tango spacebar Echo Sierra Tango dot spacebar Sierra Tango Alpha Romeo Tango India November Golf spacebar Whiskey Echo India Golf Hotel Tango Sierra enlist junk indent right Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Mike Lima score left click junk Yankee junk spacebar Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot junk Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Mike Lima score left click junk Yankee space junk spacebar equals spacebar 3 point junk dot 0 spacebar 1080 spacebar 2 enlist Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot India Sierra score Alpha Uniform Tango Oscar score Charlie Alpha Lima India Bravo Romeo Alpha Tango India November Golf spacebar equals spacebar Tango left click, spacebar, 3, spacebar, Kilo, Echo, Echo, Papa, spacebar, Oscar, November, spacebar, Tango, Oscar, spacebar, Lima, Echo, Alpha, Romeo, November, spacebar, India, November, spacebar, Bravo, Alpha, Charlie, Kilo, Golf, Romeo, Oscar, Oscar, November, Delta. I do not know why my brain just decided I don't know how to spell ground. Absolutely insane. Oh, interesting. I got a bunch of notifications here on my phone for whatever reason. Okay. I did not spell background correctly. Uniform. There we go. All right, so that is part 1 of step 15. So, what should happen here, in theory, like I said, in theory, this could be completely wrong, and I am a moron, which is all very possible. So, this should store former face tracking data. This should store the ongoing, because I believe these form what are called lists. So they will there. Okay, we are back, and I'm going to see if I can explain this properly. Very doubtful that I can. I know that there's an actual programmer in my chat. I don't know if she's fallen asleep or not. It's possible that she fell asleep, but I'm going to try and to explain this. And I very doubt that I can, but I'm going to give it a shot. So these right here are lists. They will store past data and just keep adding to themselves as they go on. These will keep track of the current, and these will keep track of past. Then this is the default weight of the slope and face coordinates from the camera. And then this will just continue to stay on and learn. Now, if that actually works, it's a completely different story. Okay, so actually, I'm sorry, there's two programmers in here because I forgot Grumble also programs. Your stream is working on my browser again. Oh, it was having trouble. Okay, so hey, Grumble, I don't think it's your end. I think it's either my end or Twitch is being twitchy because it keeps flashing at me that my stream is unstable, and I've checked my internet and everything, and it all seems fine. So I think Twitch is being twitchy. So I don't worry about it. Okay, so add your method to. I wouldn't call myself a programmer, but thank you. You smile and I'm forgetting her name, Daisy, have proven to know more about programming than I do on multiple occasions. So, yes, I would call you a programmer. Anyways, I'm not sure if it's how it works, but I'm guessing based off of what I know. Me? Yes, you've helped me before. You have been like, hey, have you tried this? And it's like, oh, that was my problem. Like, did you already forget? So least squared algebra. Oh, that sounds like fun. Fit it into the predictive equation without requiring heavy external ML. Okay. And it's going right into. So it's going right into here, right underneath this. Go enlist, junk, undo that, indent left, enlist, delta, echo, foxtrot, spacebar, uniform papa, left click. Ooh, no. Junk. Score. Alpha uniform tango Oscar. Score. Charlie Alpha Lima India. Bravo Romeo Alpha Tango. India, Oscar, November score. Mike, Oscar, Delta, Echo, Lima. Left prin. Sierra, Echo, Lima, Foxtrot. Romeo, Alpha, Whiskey, score, Foxtrot, Alpha, Charlie, Echo, score, X, junk, spacebar, raw, alpha, junk, Romeo, alpha, whiskey, score, X-ray, Foxtrot, alpha, Charlie, Echo, score, Yankee, spacebar, Tango, Romeo, uniform, Echo, score, Sierra, Charlie, Romeo, Echo, Echo, score, no, junk, junk, November, score, X-ray, spacebar, Tango, Romeo, uniform, Echo, score, Sierra, Charlie, Romeo, Echo, Echo, November, Yankee, junk, score, Yankee, colon, enlist. I'm starting to get frustrated with myself because I keep saying the wrong thing. Like, what the hell is wrong with me? Well, I know what's wrong with me. I'm a VTuber. Wait, what? Who said that? Tango, Romeo, Alpha, India, Sierra, junk, November, Sierra, spacebar, Alpha, Lima, India, Golf, Hotel, Tango, Whiskey, Echo, India, Golf, Hotel, Tango, spacebar, spacebar, Bravo, Alpha, Charlie, Kilo, making it longer is suggestive. Making what longer? Making it longer is suggestive. What did I miss? I feel like I missed something, and It's completely gone over my head. Raw face X and raw face Y, is that why? I mean, I guess I could see that. Wasn't really thinking about that. uh, okay. Um, Golf, Romeo, Oscar, uniform, November, Delta, spacebar. Romeo, Echo, Golf, Romeo, Echo, Sierra, Sierra, India, Oscar, November, spacebar. Mike, Oscar, Delta, Echo, Lima. Sierra, Charlie, Romeo, Echo, Echo, November, spacebar. Spacebar. Papa, Romeo, Echo, Delta, India, Charlie, Tango, spacebar. Sierra, Charlie, Romeo, Echo, Echo, November, spacebar. Papa, India, X-ray, Echo, Lima, spacebar. Lima, Oscar, Charlie, Alpha, Tango, India, Oscar, November. Enlist. Three, spacebar. Charlie, Oscar, Lima, Lima, Echo, Charlie, Tango, spacebar. Tango, Romeo, Alpha, India, November. India, November. India, November, Golf, spacebar. Delta, Alpha, Tango, Alpha, spacebar. Sierra, Alpha, Mike, Papa, Lima, Echo, Sierra, spacebar. Left prin. Charlie, Alpha, Papa, spacebar. Alpha, Tango, spacebar. Tango, Hotel, Echo, spacebar. Lima Alpha Sierra Tango spacebar 300. Enter junk enlist. Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Mike Lima score Foxtrots left click dot Alpha Papa Papa Echo November Delta left click left print Romeo Alpha Whiskey score Foxtrot Alpha Charlie Echo score X-ray. Enlist Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Mike Lima score left click dot left click left print Romeo left click enlist Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Mike Lima score left click dot left click left print Tango Romeo Uniform Echo left click enlist Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Mike Lima left click dot left click left print Tango Romeo Uniform Echo left click enlist India Foxtrot spacebar Lima Echo November left print Sierra Echo Lima Fox Junk Foxtrot dot M Mike left click spacebar dot spacebar 300 colon enlist Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Mike Lima, left click, dot Papa Oscar, left click, left paren 0, enlist. Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot Mike Lima, left click, dot left click, junk, 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 junk. Papa Oscar, left click. Left paren 0, spacebar, junk, enlist, Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot left click, dot left click, left paren 0, enlist, Sierra Echo Lima Foxtrot dot left click, dot left click, left paren 0, enlist. Okay. Okay. I almost screwed up my code by talking. All right, so we have an optimization formula that we need to enter next. And then we've got a linear square. All right, guys, I think we're kind of at the point where I need to stop for today. This takes a lot out of me, as we know. I don't always feel the best. So thank you guys all for being here. We'll be rating out over on Twitch. I don't know who I'll be rating yet, but thank you guys all for coming here, and I'll see you guys all next time. And what else? It looks exhausting, not gonna lie. I mean, coding in general is exhausting, but then with what I'm doing with it is just like, that's really not gonna work. Now I haven't rated Message in a while. They're at 61 followers, and I think they would appreciate some they're a Bulldog VTuber, so we're gonna go raid Message. I'll catch you guys all next time. Thank you guys for being here. It means a lot, and we'll continue on with this all next time. I'll see you guys then. That'll be Tuesday at 6 p.m.